Hello, Jay here with your weekly weather update. Third time lucky. Hopefully I'll get this intro right. Anyway, look at the weather. Little bit cloudy today, but if you want to know what's happening for the weather for the rest of the week, we better go and ask our very famous and gorgeous and lovely meteorologist, Sean. Sean, what's the weather doing this week?
It's an amazing day today because I actually have a director. He called Action.
Action!
Anyway, welcome to this week's weather update. I am sitting here looking at Jay with his belly protruding out of his shirt.
What?
I think last night he might have had a big dinner.
I didn't.
You got a waist belt on.
Back belt on. Hello, everybody. Hey, Sean, we're in a new location. It's tough to get around here.
No, this is my new home.
Is it?
Yeah, if you want to come and see me, you just walk through the front door.
Sean's moved downstairs.
Yes, and it's fun.
Yes.
Anyway, if this is your first time here, we do a weekly weather update, and we have to do it, Jay, because...
Well, hold on, what?
Why do we do the weather updates?
Because people ask us what the weather's doing.
And also the apps are completely inaccurate because they said it's going to rain all day today.
The apps that are completely inaccurate that we use.
No.
It rained last night.
A little weird.
Good for my garden.
Did you have to water still? Because it didn't rain that much.
I don't water my
Mind
garden.
you, there was flooding in Patong, but that happens with 10 minutes.
Well, depends who goes down there and what happens on the night, doesn't it?
Anyway,
Yes.
so we use 3 apps, Jay.
Don't we just?
First one is?
Windy.
Second one is?
AccuWeather.
But we don't really believe it.
No.
And
So
third
why
one
do we use
is?
it?
I don't know.
The third one, I don't even know why we bother. The
If we-
teeny bloody radar.
If we use only
Pointless.
one app, people are going to cry. They're going to
It's
say...
hard work. I'm struggling here.
Alright. Anyway, we're going to look at windy first.
Yes.
And if this is your first time looking at windy, green means it's going to be
Windy.
a wind, yellow wind,
Really windy.
and blue wind,
Not so windy.
purple wind.
Amazing.
So on Monday we have a bit of green in the morning, but this
Uh-oh.
is normal for a high season morning. And it comes a little bit in the afternoon, but not too much. So Monday we can expect a little choppy sea condition. Jay's tired already. Moving forward to Tuesday. We have a very strong wind condition on Tuesday. This is because there is a monsoon pushing off.
What? A
in
monsoon?
Koh Samui. I expect
That's a dangerous animal.
we'll get some rain in Koh Samui Tuesday, but I doubt in Phuket. But do expect rough conditions. So
Our camera might move soon.
strongly recommend you only go to Phang Nga Bay Tuesday
Did you not get
afternoon.
my... what about the dangerous animal joke?
Flashback.
What? A
In Koh
monsoon?
Samui, I expect
That's a
we'll get-
dangerous animal.
End of flashback.
What was it? I missed it.
Doesn't matter, move on.
Tuesday afternoon has come down, so if you're going to do a Tuesday departure, best to
Everybody,
leave late.
calm down, calm down, calm down. Calm. We're not singing.
No.
Okay.
Wednesday,
Sean really wants to finish this.
high wind. I'm waiting to do a PowerPoint presentation.
Sean's back in the 90s doing a PowerPoint. He says he's doing a PowerPoint presentation. Are you actually doing it, Sean?
Boopa's doing nothing. She's just getting water.
What? Booper is a lovely lady that's doing the presentation, and Sean pretends he's doing the presentation and he's really busy, but he's not. He just keeps making Booper do it, and she's stressed.
Wednesday, a little windy in the morning.
Ooh, a little windy in the morning, but it will die off in the afternoon.
There you go.
Won't
Thursday,
it, Sean?
windy
Thursday
in the
looks
morning.
lovely. Oh no. Thursday looks pretty windy in the morning, but it will die off in the afternoon.
This is the normal pattern for high season. Windy morning, calm afternoon. Friday,
Windy morning,
little
calm
less
afternoon.
wind. Little less wind. Friday, calm.
Oh look, Friday looks. Oh look, purple. That's good.
So, moving forward to Saturday, the very first of the month.
1st of March.
Oh! Calm.
Sorry?
It's calm in the morning.
I wonder what you said then. Look, like this purple here. That's
And
good, isn't
you
it?
have to do- oh, yeah, well. Come on. That's a
So
good
it looks
day.
like it's going to be windy in the mornings next week and then calmer in the afternoons. But the weekend, next weekend, looks really nice.
Yeah, looking at Sunday, it's a perfect day.
There you go.
Cannot ask for a better day than that. And we're just going to take a quick snapshot of Monday, just in case you're wondering.
Are we? Now we confuse people though. Monday the what? Third,
Monday,
must be.
The 3rd, yeah.
Yeah.
So, looking forward on the weather updates, I think we're fine to go out every day, but we will see some rough seas in the morning, calming in the afternoon.
Not so much rough, bumpy we like to say.
Yeah, and looking at windy, the radar, which has really no relevance. to
No
what we're
relevance
doing.
at all because this is right now as we record this on Sunday morning in Sean's new office.
So we're going to skip that anyway.
Why do we even bother then?
I don't know, because I feel sad for people that don't know.
All right.
AccuWeather.
Updating. Let me guess. 32, 31, 33. Chance of rain. About 50%.
And as always, Jay is 100% accurate. If you have a question
Was
about...
that it? You want to finish this. He really wants to get back to his PowerPoint.
If you have a question about the upcoming weather,
He doesn't know I've got to shoot another video of him in a minute.
you're welcome to ask me. Don't ask him. He
No,
knows
because I don't
nothing.
know.
And he gives such wrong forecasts that you may never leave
Do you like
home.
my new tash though, Sean? You haven't mentioned it.
I will reserve my judgment.
What?
You look like the KFC Colonel.
Someone said I look like a pilot. But I'll take KFC. I like KFC. They just moved to Texas.
We talked yesterday about you crashing a plane.
Yes, I'm going to go crash a plane, but can't talk about it. And don't take pictures on set, Sean.
All right, we're cutting now to Jay, who's out there with the live weather as it is now.
I have just got the camera, look. Here we go, live weather out here. Look at all the staff sat around doing nothing. Do some work. Look at the weather right now. It's beautiful. Blue sky. It's Sunday. We just recorded this. I'm going to go out on a boat. Thanks for watching. Bye.